Hello everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the second part of Resemble. On the previous video, I already taught you the first part. Now we continue. The third beat will be bass, tone, bass, tone, bass, tone, bass, slap, slap, slap. But we are going to play it half. The first half will be bass, tone, bass, tone. Now let's try it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second half will be bass, tone, bass, slap, slap, slap. Now let's try it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the beats. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the second part of Resemble. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.